Well, I don't know if you know, but it's Baby Week here on Better Connecticut, and this next story focuses on keeping babies safe with technology.
There are so many products out there that were not available 20, even 5 or 10 years ago that are now really pretty fantastic. From doorbell cameras, where we can see people coming before we open the door, to cameras in the house that track babies' every move, there's one store that has it all. Take a look.
Who's here? Oh, Scot Haney's here. What are you doing here?
Hey, Todd, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good to see you. Nicholas, how are you, you little pumpkin head? Hey, you know it's Baby Week on Better Connecticut?
No, I didn't.
Yes, we figured that we would come and talk about some of the products that Connecticut Lighting sells to keep your baby safe.
Awesome.
All right, so nice to see you.
Well, I guess let's start with the doorbell you just pushed.
Okay.
So, smart video doorbell. The second somebody presses the button or even gets in a close proximity to your house, it starts recording and sends you a notification right to your phone.
So you can see everything on your phone?
See everything on your phone before you answer the door.
Live action while it's happening?
Live action. So you're actually lucky I answered the door.
You saw who it was.
I did.
And you answered, which I thought was very nice.
That's a product by Nest, and we're going to see more products by Nest in just a bit. But in the meantime, Todd leads me to the basement, where he's got an incredible lock on the door that leads to the backyard.
All right, so the next item is keyless entry, which is so important, especially if you're holding the baby with one hand. You don't have your hands, you got the groceries and everything.
It absolutely is. And he likes to touch the button too. So basically, this is keyless entry from Schlage. It works on your phone as well. So lock the door, buddy. You know how to lock it. Again, one touch of a button, the door locks, and then you know, 4-digit code and it opens, and you can also open it from your phone from anywhere in the world.
And it deadbolts, which is really nice.
And it is a deadbolt, absolutely.
Which is a good safety feature.
Absolutely.
So this is a product by Schlage, and it's keyless entry.
Keyless entry, and you can also use it from your phone.
Have you given any thought about window shades?
Connecticut Lighting also carries shades, and you might not think of when it comes to baby and safety and shades, but who wants that cord around? It could be a total choking hazard, and they have eliminated the cords in this particular shade, right?
It absolutely. This is a Lutron battery-operated motorized shade. Aside from motorized shades, we also have, I have shades upstairs that are cordless manual. So they're not motorized, but there's no cord.
Okay.
And again, as you can see, this nice little remote, again, works off your phone, works on an app. You can create time sequences, anything you want. Again, so not only are they motorized and cordless, they're also smart shades and tie into smart Lutron lighting control systems.
So I don't even need this remote necessarily if I have my phone.
You don't? Absolutely not.
Can I have that? No. He's going to operate the shades.
Back to some of the other Nest products. The thermostat is next.
And I wouldn't think of necessarily Nest for a baby, but you say it's an important tool.
Absolutely. You know, one of the nicest things about the Nest thermostat is the Nest thermostat has wireless temperature sensors that are battery operated that can talk to the thermostat. So again, if my bedroom is at 72 degrees, but my son's bedroom is at 68, I can set his bedroom to talk to my thermostat in my bedroom to turn on the heat or air conditioning.
That is incredible, just through the Nest.
Absolutely.
We see the temperature sensor in the baby's room, where there's also this great fan by Minka Air that keeps the air circulating.
We have over 180 ceiling fans on display at our showrooms.
All different price points.
All different price points, styles, finishes, you name it.
Todd, I know a lot of people don't like air blowing right on their child, so you can actually reverse the fan blades?
You absolutely can. So this fan is considered what's called a full function fan. As you can see, there's no pull chains on the fan. So everything is operated through a remote or wall control. And there's actually a reverse button right on it. Anytime, I just hit the reverse button right now. It'll spin the blades the opposite way, which brings air up to circulate versus directly down.
So that baby won't get a draft.
Absolutely.
Are you ready for the CO and smoke detector? That's also by Nest.
Todd, safety first, and this is the Nest CO and smoke detector?
Absolutely. And again, you know, it's one of those things, who would ever think that there was any excitement in CO and smoke detectors?
Right.
Awesome product. I really love it. Peace of mind, it's great. Every single one of them, okay, I had my whole house done with these, they backfeed to your phone. So they test themselves all the time, they're self-testing. Again, you don't need a separate CO detector in all the rooms because it's a CO, carbon monoxide, and smoke detector. Anything ever goes off, I get an alert right on my phone. Anywhere in the world, you know, there's smoke, there's carbon monoxide, anything.
There are many other great features about this detector that the professionals at Connecticut Lighting can tell you about. But for now, we're moving into the living room to see the Nest cameras.
Todd, Nest also makes cameras for your house. You can see, we're looking at your living room right now.
Absolutely, yeah, you can see us in the background.
You can see exactly what's going on from your phone at all times. And these cameras plug in. No electrician needed.
Todd, can I hold the baby? It is baby week after all.
Sure.
I know you're nervous, but don't worry. I've had no practice at this. Thanks so much for showing us your house. You have some great ideas to keep babies safe. Now at Connecticut Lighting, they're going to help me with all these things, right?
Absolutely. You know, all of our people are very knowledgeable about lighting and all the rest of the products that we carry.
That's right. Connecticut Lighting. You have lighting on top of everything else.
We do have a lot of
right,
lighting.
Nicholas, say bye-bye to Daddy. Bye-bye. Okay, thanks, Todd. Pleasure to see you. Come on, let's go. Yeah, I don't.
He only let you leave because he can see you on the cameras.
He can see me on the cameras from everywhere. We really did just scratch the surface with all the things Connecticut Lighting has for you to keep your child safe and happy.
Okay, and you can visit them online at ctlighting.com.
All right, come